Hi friends, this is Manish Pandey. Welcome back. In this video, we are going to explore the concept of show changes in UiPath GIT. So let's get started. As you know, show changes is a feature of Git, and Git is a version control system which helps you keep track of all the changes you make to files. Git tracks changes at the file level. When you modify a file, Git records these changes and allow you to view them before committing to the repository. Now, what does show changes mean? Show changes allow you to view the modifications made to the files in the project. In Git, show changes feature shows the difference between original version and the modified version of the file. It helps you understand what modifications have been made to the files. Let's understand with a simple example. Imagine you are working on a UiPath automation project. You pulled the latest version of the project from the remote Git repository and started working on it. After a few hours or end of the working hours, end of the day basically, you plan to commit and push the changes to the GitHub. It means to the remote repository. But before that, you want to see what exactly has been modified and ensure that modifications are correct. As you know, we are human and we make mistakes. So we might have deleted any activity or any code or any workflow from the project that will impact our process. So in this case, show changes will help us viewing the changes we did in the file. Now let me show you how to use show changes in UiPath GIT. Now before making any changes, let's ensure your project is already tracked by Git, and that you can see by looking at this one. You can see, if you can see this icon, it means you are already using this Git. You can see here the repository name, the branches. So this shows that you are already using Git. If not, then initialize a Git repository and then you can make some changes and then you can use the show changes. Now as we have already initialized the Git here, so let's make some changes to the code. We worked on the launch and login, SAP launch and login previously. So what I'm going to do in the main workflow, I'm going to just call this. Okay, so one modification I did here. I'm going to delete this for each file and then I will go to this log message. I will just modify this log label from info to error. Now to view the changes in Git, we have to save that first. So save this, Control S. There are two ways to use show changes. First, by going to the modified files. So in this case, we have modified in the main XAML file. If I'm going to modify in this launch and login here itself, so let's say I'm going to take here one SAP login, this one. I added this. Now I'm going to save this. Close this, save. Now we'll go to the project. Now in this case, we have two files which is modified. I will go to any one file. Let's refresh this first. Right click and then wait for some time. In few seconds, you will see this option enabled. This show changes. You can click on that. Now second way to view the changes, close this, go to this panel, see the two changes, click on that. This will show a list of all the files that have been modified. So main YAML file we modified and then we modified this SAP launch and login YAML file. Now click on the file. So we selected main YAML file, or if you select this anywhere, and then right side you can see this icon which says that this is show changes. Now click on show changes and this will open a comparison view showing the original version on the left side and modified version on the right side. So there are three colors we can see here. And what is the meaning of these colors? You can see here below: added, deleted, and modified. Additions are highlighted in green, deletions are highlighted in red, and modifications in yellow. Now you can look into this and then you can verify that. So let's say earlier we had log message. If we click on that, you can see here also we have log message that is not deleted, only that is modified because the color is yellow. You can see here the log label has been changed. Earlier it was info, now changed to error. If you think that this has been done accidentally, this is not intentionally, then you can undo this one. Second, we'll go to this. So we have option go to previous and next, like that. We will click on next and it will directly go to this next modified file. It will not go to this one, it will go to the next modified one. So you can see earlier we had a for each file in folder this in the main YAML file. This invoke workflow file is now not available in this local one. Means this has been deleted. This is showing in the red color. Now click next and this is going to the third one, which is showing in the highlighted green color. So it shows that here earlier it was not there in the original version. This was not there. Here we have added separately. So this is additionally we did that. So if this is correct, we think that this has been added, then this is okay. Now what we'll do, we will close that one. Close this. Now we realize that this has been changed accidentally. So what we can do, we can just change back to the info. And now you can right click, click on commit and put your commit message. Anything, whatever you want to put, you can update that and then you can commit that. Now what is the benefit of show changes? Before committing changes to the repository, developers can review the modification to ensure they are correct. And this helps in maintaining the code quality and preventing accidental changes from being included. Next, when working in a team, showing changes is vital for communication. Team members can see what changes others have made, discuss with them, and provide feedback, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helped you understand what is show changes and benefits of it and how to use show changes. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any question or suggestion, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy learning.